This video is just for an educational purpose. I came across this video and I think it's very important for me to share it. How kidnappers collect money. How kidnappers collect money from people. You know, kidnappers has changed strategies because there are a lot of kidnappers in Nigeria, and police and DSS who have good mind are trying their best to make sure that they apprehend these people. But these people have changed the style of collecting money from their victims. Before, if kidnapper kidnapped you, they'll ask you to go and drop the money on the road, that they will be watching you, that if you are coming with police, they will kill somebody who is under captive with them. So that was their strategy right from time. But recently, they are collecting their money from somebody like you and me. So that is why you must pay attention to this video and see how they try to collect 5.something million from a trader. Not that they put gun on his head, but it is a strategy that a lot of people have fallen victim. So if you listen to this video, you pay attention very well so that DSS police will not use you to shine. So listen to this video.
This thing happened to one of my town guy where they say shoe for Balogu for Dumota. So the guy is a big businessman. So somebody enter his shop. A man enter his shop, come select shoes. As he select the shoes finish, because okay, maybe they give an account. The shoe now, when they come check, the shoe now 5.5 million, the total. So now the guy calls say the person where they buy the shoe calls say my town guy may give him the account number. Say go transfer for her. Then he will come the next day, come carry the goods. Now the guy collect the account number, now he go house. So as he reach house, now he transfer the money. My town guy received the alert in the night, 5.5 million. So in the next month, now the person where they pay the money, come say okay, say you don't receive that. I say yes, okay, say won't carry the goods now. The boy calls send the boys, may they go arrange for the goods. Before you know, now the guy make one call. Say okay, now so it be, oh no, I cut call. You call tell the guy where they say the shoe say make no vessel. Say get one contract where they pursue since with Chinese people. Say actually him himself they sell Chinese wares, they import, they come. So get one deal where they won't close for China. Say no, the partner they don't call and say they need some money to close that deal. So you know go fee buy the shoe today. Now say go come back, come buy them. Say better no, say go come back, come buy them. Tell me refund the 5.5 million for her. That the guy say okay, no wahala. Since he never carry the goods now, the goods still in my shop. Say no wahala, go refund the money to you, but now that account we return. That my guy they tell her say now that account we pay the money in, I go return the money to. Say no go fee pay for another account. That the guy tell her say no now. Say the guy where they buy the shoe cause say no now. Say he go give him another account when he go to pay the money. Say no be that one you go refund her back. So this my guy come tell her say no. Say no fit do that kind of one. No. Say no fit do one. Say now that same account we send the money to and I go return the money back to. So now the guy just from there come just the phone quarrel, come form vaccination, now he waka comot. Say they come back on now he waka comot. Immediately now the guy just come out for a shop, run go police station, go report the matter. So after the guy report the matter, now I can't realize this one where they tell you so 2 weeks the guy never come back. Oh. After like 2 weeks and 2 days, now DSS land for the guy's shop. Can't carry the guy go. They can't carry the guy go Abuja. So when they reach Abuja now the guy call explain to them, say see as the money take come in account or see as the thing view. By the say if you report the matter to police station. Now they can't call the police, can't confirm, say yes, in report. And then they call say you know, I said the guy they innocent, now they tell release the guy. Yo. So but last now the story now the DSS they call they tell her now and say that guy now wanna kidnappers them be. Say that money now ransom when they pay, say they don't want to use their own account. And the bank don't they trace. Now bank they can't go now, can't trace, say now your account now and I made the call carry you so now the guy send the money, give them back. Oh. So make everybody they careful. Mind who they do business with. Oh. Now some my guy take free, if not. I say if you just go jail, go suffer for waiting, no. Everybody they careful. If they do business, know the kind of people where they do business.
So when I first saw this video, I was surprised because I have not heard or experienced such a thing, how kidnappers collect money from people indirectly. They go to your shop, they pretend they want to buy something, they will ask you how much is this, and they'll collect, amount of goods that worth the money they want to collect from the victim. Then they'll ask the victim to transfer money to you. They'll call you that they have business, that they don't need the goods again, that don't worry, they will come and patronize you again, that you should refund the money back to them. So if not that the guy was wise to make sure he told them that, let me transfer this money back to the account that brought it to me. Hadn't been, the man withdrew the money and gave it to the kidnapper, and also without reporting it to the police, the person could have landed himself in a great trouble. So this is the situation we are seeing in Nigeria. Be careful right there.
Fire! 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 Get up! Get up! Come from! They don't know! Fire them! Let's go! Pursue them! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Hey! Are you okay? Everyone good. Fire now! Return fire, everybody is good. Fire and go, let's go. Fire them. Jump over, fire the idiot. Good one there. Let's go. Gentlemen, get up, let's go. Jump up, let's go now. Jump up, let's go. Inna lillahi. Fire now. Easy your hand. Return fire, good one. Return fire, good one. Sorry, Oga. Jump up, come. Good one. Come front. PK, come front. Come this side. PK, come this side. Come back small. See, raise those machines. Wow. Oh, that's funny. Let's go front now.
Let's go.
Get up, let's go front. Return fire. Those machines, because of fuel, raise them up. Everybody is good. Get up. The ammunition don't finish. Get up. Let's go fire movement. Good one. Jump up from this side. Okay, they are going up plenty. Let's go. Use them. Come. Leave the machine. The ammunition don't finish. Let's go. The ammunition don't finish. Good one. Yes. Come front and fire. See them front. Come ahead. They are running. Knock them short. Pursue them, knock them short. Come close. Bravo Kilo, get ready over. Knock shot. Clear them. Good one there. Good one. Let the other people come and marry up here. Hey! Wait! They are firing from rear. Wait. Stay here. Wait, don't go front. Kabari wine us go. Come quick. Go. Follow. Fire movement, see there. Fire. Come forward.
Follow them.
Wow, come forward, PK. The ammo don't finish.
The ammunition don't finish. Follow them.
Come front, knock them short.
Come on, launch.
No launch now. Okay, wait. Now go there. Open. Show your back. Watch back. Wait. Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un.